Hi, join me as I show you my new cosmetics, my new powder. The one I was using previously just got finished, and I've actually been wondering how I'm going to get this brand because where I am now, I hardly see this. Okay, I forgot getting it to wear before I traveled back to where I am now. So I've actually walked around to look for this brand. This is classic. Somebody told me it's outdated, that is actually old fashioned, that there are better ones that classic. But you know, when you're used to something and you know it actually fits you, what you can do is just to stick to it. So that is actually what I wanted to do, and I think I am being disappointed because I actually didn't see classic loose powder I always use, because I don't use foundation. I just do something simple that just bring out my face and I go, and I don't spend any longer time to be doing this thick makeup or that. No, because I don't think I have that time. I have a lot to do. So the ones I have is enough. All right. So you're welcome to this channel. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep doing it. We love the way you're doing it now. The way you're doing it now, we love you so much. Thank you so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly do that. Comment and like and share our videos. We appreciate you so much, so much. All right, okay, so you're going to be joining me. I am getting ready to go to church now. So this is the old one, it's finished. This is classic, it's actually finished. All right, so I tried getting this. As I said, I didn't get it, so I now got another one. Look at, they call it Image. I went to where they sell cosmetics and I asked for it. They said no, but they can give me something better off. So I collected. It's called Image. I don't know if you've used it before. I don't know. So I believe it should be good on me because today is going to be my first day of trying it out. All right. And they gave me the light color. So what I would do is maybe just use little of it. This is what they gave to me. Okay, so we are going to be using it together. And I also saw they have the classic face definer. I've been using this for a while because I actually didn't see it too for a long time. I stopped using it and I actually started using this one I've been showing you, you're familiar with. But this can do what this, but this is big because it has a lot of colors. Okay, I ran out of some colors that fits me a lot, so I decided to get this, and this is just 3 colors alone, face definer. So I'll use some of this. If I need any extra color, I'll run to this. Is that not wise? Okay, so we are going to be using it. This is, look at how the color is. This is the 3 colors, but this one will have more in there. All right, so we just go into the business to just rub the powder and move ahead. All right, so this is the foam. Okay, so this is the powder. So I'll just take little of it and rub on my face. You know, I've not used it before, so I kind of being careful so it will not be shouty on my face. Kind of just being careful. I don't use liquid powder, the foundation. I don't think I have the strength for that. Maybe when I want to go for an occasion, I can do that. But for now, I don't think it's important for now. Do I even have a foundation? Because I didn't see it necessary and important, I've not bought any. I've not. I've actually not bought any, really. That's true. Okay. Okay, guys, I think the powder fits me. The color, I think it fits me. It's not that bright. It's not that shouting. It's just there. Okay, I think it will blend as it stays a while. I'm just being careful not packing too much too. Let's try it and see how it goes. Okay. Okay, I think we'll stop there. Stop using that for now. Let's just, okay, let's blend it with the contour and I'm good to go. Seriously, as I said, I don't waste time here. Just few minutes and I'm done. I don't waste time. Okay, so the face definer I just showed you, that's what I want to use now. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be using it just under my eye. Yeah, I'm using this first. Okay, okay, so let's do this. Let's go this. Let's use a little of this. Yeah. Okay, I think we're getting the shape. We're getting something out. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, yes, so lastly, let's use a little of this. Remember, we are using the eye face liner, face definer, sorry. Okay, yes. Ooh, looks good already. Oh, not spend time too much here. Whoa, this is looking good already. Not too heavy. No. Yeah. Okay, guys. Good to go. So I'll just use the eye pencil for my eyebrow and my lipstick. I'm good. Okay, so hope I'm doing a great job here. I'm trying. I know you can do better than I do, but I'm just trying. Yeah, it's better than not trying. Yeah, somebody can be doing this for you all the time, so have to learn. Yeah, have to learn. Okay, I'm actually done. All right, so I'm going to be using my lipstick. So these are the colors I'm using. I'm using peach and a darker shade of red. Okay. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so I use this under. Use this under. Blend it together. I am done. I am good to go. So how do I look? Okay, so I'll pack this up later so I won't delay you. How do I look? I'm good to go. All right, that's my earrings. Okay. So good. How do I look? This powder looks good. Am I excited? Powder looks good on me. Wow. Image. So in case you're looking for a powder to buy, it's called Image Makeup USA loose powder. So you can get one for yourself if you know you have the kind of the color of my skin. This is a season light. It's a light color. I think this is color 1. That's what I used. And look at how it came out. How do I look? Please put it in the comment section if it actually fits me. All right, so if you want to see my dressing, okay, it's a gown. Putting on a gown to church today. So this is how I look. All right, putting on a gown to church. Okay, so thank you so much. Please put in the comment section if it fits me, the powder fits me. All right, thank you for watching. Please keep on watching our videos. We appreciate it so much. Thank you and bye.